Welcome to Seasoned Shorts, where food meets fun, facts, and folklore. In today's Winter Wonderland episode, our animated chef Duey C.K takes you on a delightful journey of building the perfect gingerbread house. With the snowflakes dancing outside, there's no better way to embrace the holiday spirit than by constructing your own sugary masterpiece. Gingerbread houses have a rich history dating back to the 16th century in Germany, inspired by the fairy tale of Hansel and Gretel. These edible structures became a beloved holiday tradition, symbolizing warmth and festivity. Duey shares the ultimate gingerbread recipe, ensuring your walls and roof are sturdy enough for the grandest candy-covered mansion. Start with a simple dough made of flour, ginger, cinnamon, and molasses. Roll it out and cut into shapes, bake, and let the decorating begin. For the icing, mix powdered sugar, egg whites, and a touch of lemon juice to create the perfect edible glue. Dewey's sidekick, Peppy the wisecracking peppermill, adds a twist of comedy, reminding you to have fun and get creative. Use gumdrops, candy canes, and chocolate buttons to adorn your house, making it a true festive spectacle. So, tie on your apron, gather your supplies, and join Duey C.K in this bite-sized adventure of gingerbread house building. Happy holidays and happy baking!